cabin 11366A. So this is a solo sea view. Got a big, beautiful window out here, offering great sea views. And even though this is a solo cabin, you do get a queen size bed, television, little desk area. Great little closet here in the corner. Or sorry, got some drawers. You're safe. Some storage areas there. Now make my way back over towards this window because I think there is a little secret spot in here. Yes, there is. This is where you have your closet. Great little closet space here in the corner. And beautiful washroom. Rainwater shower head. Handheld nozzle. This is a solo sea view cabin here on Resilient Lady.